In front of me is Realme 12, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. You need to begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings and manage all of those before recording, like recording file format. When you're ready, go back and click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo mark on the right one. Then take a pic, and to discard it, select X on the left. To add it and save it, click on the check mark on the right. If you wish to delete your recording right away, you can click on Cancel on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on Save at the top right corner. Then name your recording however you want to and tap on Save again. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To delete it, you need to hold it instead. Click on Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!